Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to fix TikTok shop not appearing on your TikTok profile. So basically, if you have this problem where your TikTok shop is not appearing on your profile, that means that you probably not are from these countries here. So as you can see, TikTok shop is available only in these countries. So we have Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, the United Kingdom, United States, and Vietnam. So basically, you're gonna have to be and your account needs to be set up in one of these countries. And what you can do if you're not in these countries, you can buy a SIM card from them, and after you buy the SIM card you have to create a new account. And as you can see, in order to start selling on TikTok, you need to have at least 1000 followers, and after that you're gonna be able to see the TikTok shop option. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.